Hi there. Welcome back to our Phone Metrics, where we do B2B SaaS teardown videos and try to identify a few conversion links that might be costing businesses a few $1,000s every single month. Today, we're going to talk about Growlytics, which is basically a platform for omni-channel marketing. Okay, so straight away we can see the headline is very clear and the subheadline. And yeah, the subheadline is very clear as well. I'll talk about how you can send personalized and targeted messages to your customers based on the unique characteristics. We can see a very strong element of credibility with the brands right here. Here they go more in depth about how it all works. The beautiful thing here is that they've got a really good place in terms of social proof here, where they, for example, here talk about how they can use this platform for all of their Shopify needs. Okay. And how with Growlytics they were able to unify all their marketing efforts into a single platform and get better at managing key performance indicators. So here talking about how they can make from better a great upgrade from MailChimp, okay? If we scroll down, we can see more explanation about how it works and yeah, how it works basically. And here they've got more blogs, blog articles that you could go and read if you want. Now, well, they could have added a frequently asked questions at the bottom to increase to, you know, handle any objection that prospect might have had. And at the top, they might have added a contact form to increase the number of opt-ins by offering a lead magnet, right? And other than that, this is it for the video. Nice and short. I hope you guys like this. And if you're a SaaS founder and you would like help with increasing your conversions, click on the link down below in the description. Otherwise, I hope you have a nice day. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.